This device is a cavitation unit. The goal of the unit is exploding the fat. To get this effect, we have two handles. One handle working in 26 Ks and 120 watts, and another handle working in 40 Ks and 80 watts. The connection of the two handles are on the front of the machines. There is no place for mistakes because the two connectors from the different handles have different numbers of pins, 5 pins and 4 pins, and there is only one place to be connected. To power on a machine, there are two connectors on the back of the unit, one in blue color, that is the automatic switch, and another one in black color on the power socket, and both must be connected to start working with the machine. After, there is a key on the front of the unit that is able to switch on or switch off the machine too. First screen have the language, Spanish and English, and also the setup page. After choosing the language, we press enter to go to the next page. Here in this second page, we have both handles, the handle in 26 Ks and the handle in 40 Ks. We should choose one of them to go to the next screen, and after choosing one of the handle, you press enter. Here we have 3 different ways of working: big fat, medium fat, or low fat. Depends which one you choose. You also have to set up the parameters and the time of the treatment. Working in big fat, the maximum time is 15 minutes. For example, if I change to medium fat, you can increase the working time, and you also can increase or decrease the power of the treatment. There are 5 levels to be chosen. After setting up the parameters, you only need to press the play button to start working with the machine, and to stop the machine you should press the pause button. If you want to change the handle to be used, you only have to press the return button, and then choosing the other handle, press enter, and here you only have one choice. You only have to set up the power and the time, and then press the play button to start working with the machine. Here these 4 small green lights shows that the machine is working. To stop the machine, you only have to press the pause button, and to return to the main screen with the same button. The usual part of the body where this treatment should be done are the abdomen, the buttocks, and the legs. What we are going to do is to simulate how to do the treatment on my arm. First, it's very important to extend plenty of cream. This is water gel on the area to be treated. should be very good cup of water gel, because it's very important for the ultrasounds to penetrate inside the body. After extending the gel, the water gel, on the area to be treated, you only have to move the handle. While doing the treatment, the patient will feel some small needles inside. Depending how strong is this feeling of the needles, you should increase or decrease the rotation of the handle. In any case, it's very important to continually ask the patient about how comfortable he is, because he can feel some kind of hot, and it's very important to take good care that the hot is not too much. The two ways of working of this machine are continuous and discontinuous ways of delivering the ultrasound inside the body. We have the continuous way of working and the discontinuous way of working. The continuous way of working only works working in big fat and maximum level of power. Setting up these parameters, and if I press the play button, now the machine is working. The ultrasounds are being delivered in continuous way. You cannot hear any sound, and we are working in maximum power. If I decrease the power to 4, to 3, now you can hear a sound. This is because the ultrasounds are now being delivered in this continuous way. In fact, if I change the level of fat, if I press medium fat, now you can see that the sound, the time between one sound and the other is longer, and is also longer if I press in low fat, even in maximum power. This is what we name continuous and discontinuous way of working. So, conclusion. This machine is usually working in discontinuous way of working. The machine only works in continuous way when big fat and maximum power, level 5. Working big fat, for example, level 4 is already discontinuous way, but very close to continuous ways of working. Vale? Sometimes, and after several hours of working, it's necessary to calibrate the frequency of the machine to continue having always maximum power on the handle. This is because the handle is all the time delivering 26 Ks or 40 Ks frequency ultrasounds, so after many times working, could happen that the handle lose properties, lose his level of frequency. So what we do is to adjust, to calibrate the frequency of the machine to match again with the frequency of the handle. To do that, to recalibrate the machine, we only have to power the machine, and on the setup page we have two choices, 26 Ks or 40 Ks. Both handles can be calibrated. We introduce the password, and then we go to the screen where the handle can be calibrated. If you see now the handle, actually the handle is working in property way. The water all around the handle is rising uniform. If I decrease the level, now it's disappeared because I have decreased the frequency that the machine is delivering to the handle. If I increase again, now we have the right way. So we recommend it to calibrate the machine when the water is losing this kind of property on the handle. And to calibrate, you only have to increase or decrease the level on the screen. Now we are working in 26, so if we decrease or if we increase, we can easily match the frequency that the machine is delivering to the handle. Once we finish calibrating and the water is again properly rising around the handle, we only have to press the exit with saving button and enter. Now the machine is calibrated again.